whoever's watching this video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a car. This is a premiere, so if I don't get to you soon at 6:30 today, I will probably get to you at 7. Okay? Okay. Well, anyway, let's get started. So first, draw little circles as wheels, like this. Oh, and don't have your pencil break on you like that. There, and oh, yeah, that's good enough. So now you have the tire. Then draw little small circles within them, which will show you how to do this. So go like this and draw these two little circles. Once you have that, go and draw a line in between them, and then a curved line above them. Then you basically just draw a little rectangle at the back. So copy this so far. If you have that, then what's next is you can draw a little antenna, whatever you want as decorations, but I'm just going for a simple little car. So then you erase the front of your car and flatten it out. And then you have to sometimes raise the roof of your car. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then draw a little window right there. Give it a little shine. Then draw a door, because you of course need a door always. And then all you have to do now is make this like that. Probably gonna make your window bigger. I'm not doing this off a script or anything, so I just gonna say, hey, and do whatever I want. And then add a little knob to your door, and perfect. And then all you have to do, if you want to make it semi-realistic, you add a line out there and try to curve it and put it like that. But then you have to do all this fancy stuff, and I just don't feel like doing that. So then you make this have a shine. Then all you have to do now is, if you want a back door to it, which I do, you add the back door of it, and you add a little window in there. And that's basically it. That's how you draw a little car. It does not look good. So I'm just gonna do some tidy touches up and make there be like a slight line right there. Maybe take that away. Maybe color in a few things. You can do pretty much whatever you want. Go like this. And then here, you can make it be whatever you want. I'm just going for a simple vibe. Then you can put a person in the car, and you can build a little steering wheel. He does not look amused at all. He's definitely not amused. And I'm gonna go for a cool thing. So I'm gonna erase this line, which makes it look better. And perfect. This is what my car looks like. I can color this in, color in the wheels. So I'm just gonna color this in on tutorial in case you want to color it and you like my idea. Then you have to draw a human too. And I don't give them fingers because drawing fingers is hard, people. You don't think I have that much time on my hands, right? If you do, you're wrong. You are very wrong. I've got to do this all in a stealthy time. I can't keep it going for too long. I hope it's not already over 15 minutes. And then you should make the roof lighter because it's more in contact with the sun, and this a tiny bit darker. Also, I would recommend using a graphite pencil instead of using a lead pencil, but this is all I had. I just had to get started right away. And then give this it. Make sure not to color in your window. This is just going to be a black and white version of it. So I'm going to make this version of my window really, really white. I'm probably actually going to leave it white. So your head might look disconnected to a body, but just say he's a weirdo, okay? Or say he doesn't have a body. Either way works for me. So I'm just going to make this a little darker. And we're almost done with the video, so yeah. I also got a microphone so I don't sound like an idiot. I wonder if YouTube censors idiot. Hopefully not, because that's all I have to work with. I can't even curse. Just kidding, why would I ever curse? And then you can draw this guy with skin and his hands. There, perfect. Now you have a weird gray car. Cool. Why do you need a gray car? Don't ask me. Ask yourself. Goodbye. Oh, this is 7 minutes. Goodbye.